The Sutra of Kṣitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 13. The Entrustment of People and Gods. 8th, they will never be threatened by thieves. 9th, they will be respected by all who see them. 10th, they will be aided by ghosts and spirits. 11th, women who want to can be reborn as men. 12th, women who want to can be daughters of leaders of nations and officials. 13th, they will have an upright and proper appearance. 14th, they will often be born in the heavens. 15th, they may be emperors or leaders of nations. 16th, they will have the wisdom to know past lives. 17th, they will attain whatever they seek. 18th, their families will be happy. 19th, they will never undergo any disasters. 20th, they will leave the bad karmic paths forever. 21st, they will always arrive at their destination. 22nd, their dreams will be peaceful and happy. 23rd, their deceased relatives will leave suffering behind. 24th, they will enjoy blessings earned in previous lives. 25th, they will be praised by sages. 26th, they will be intelligent and have keen faculties. 27th, they will be magnanimous and empathic. 28th, they will ultimately realize Buddhahood. Moreover, empty space treasury Bodhisattva, if gods, dragons, or spirits of the present or future hear Earth Store's name, bow to Earth Store's image, or hear of Earth Store's past vows and the events of his practices, and then praise him, behold and bow to him, they will benefit in 7 ways. First, they will quickly transcend to levels of sagehood. Second, their evil karma will dissolve. Third, all Buddhas will protect and be near them. Fourth, they will not retreat from Bodhi. Fifth, their inherent powers will increase. 6th, they will know past lives. 7th, they will ultimately realize Buddhahood. At that time, all the indescribable numbers of Buddhas, thus come ones who had come from the 10 directions, and great bodhisattvas, gods, dragons, and the rest of the eightfold division, having heard Shakyamuni Buddha's praise of Earth Store Bodhisattva's great awesome spiritual powers, praised this unprecedented event. Following that, incense, flowers, heavenly garments, and pearl necklaces rained down in the Triyastrimsha heaven as offerings to Shakyamuni Buddha and Earth Store Bodhisattva, and everyone in the assembly joined together in beholding and making obeisance to them. Then they placed their palms together and withdrew.